Purple Smiley. What do you need today? Hi. I need help gobbling up this food, but I don't know how to eat it. Let's go and find something that a friend can use to eat. Liz. Alright. What can we use? The peanuts, the tweezers, or the shoe? That's right. We can use the tweezers to help make the whole. Good job! Oh, we have found a solution. Huh? Cool. What is it? Oh! It's some tweezers. Are we sure this is going to work? Yep, I'm very sure about it. But wait! But to feed him, we have to put it into smaller chunks before he can eat it. Hey, Mr. Titan Man! What is it? We need help splitting this food into multiple pieces. Do you think you can help us? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see what we have here today. Okay. There's some goop. Okay. So let's see here what they wanted me to do. So apparently they messaged me asking me to split this into a few chunks. Sounds easy enough, I guess. But what should I use to dissect it? Well, not to waste that much time, I'm just going to use my hands. So, let's see. So, let's split this into two. So that we all have to split. Sorry. Alright. Let's split it again. Split this too. And split this part. Oops. I made a mistake there. Hey, I split up the food for him. Nice. Okay, now let's use the tweezers to help him. Okay, which one would you like to eat first? I would like to eat this one. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I think I got it. Open up. Oh. Oh, a little something there. There you go. Yay! time for the other pieces. You just eat it? Nice. I bet that tastes delicious. It's the final piece. Hey, he left a little piece. You think we can help him? You're right. Okay. Come on, eat the last piece. Say, I feel kind of sick after eating all that. Okay, I'll go check back on you in the future. I really don't feel good. Oh no, did you get sick? Yeah. Say, I think it's still edible. Probably, yeah. I think you wanted it before your body could digest it. Oops. Do you think we can help him? Yeah. Open up. Oh. Becoming very hard. Justice. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Okay, guys, we've got him to eat his